Janelle.
No, my name is Janelle.
My name is Janelle.
My name is Dante Davis.
My name is Javon.
My name is Tyrone.
My name is Catherine.
My name is Jamie Mackenzie.
My name is Shaquin Orlando Tavares Christie. My name is Shaquin Orlando Tavares Christie.
My name is Javante Mackenzie.
Thank you for coming to our school today.
Thank you, JAHJAH Foundation.
Thank you, JAHJAH Foundation, for coming to our school today.
You're hearing me?
Yeah, go after three, go again. 1, 2, 3, go.
My name is Ricky Allen.
When you grow up, what would you like to be?
A teacher.
I want to be a businessman,
What kind of business?
selling hardware and computer.
I want to become a dentist.
I want to become a boss for one job.
I want to become a soldier.
I want to become a pilot. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a teacher when I grow up.
Thank you, JAHJAH Foundation, for helping us.
You didn't say JAHJAH, right? You gotta say JAHJAH.
JAHJAH.
Yeah, JAHJAH Foundation, right? 3, 2, 1, go.
Thank you, JAHJAH Foundation, for helping us.
My name is Veronica Gaino, and I'm the principal of Iris Gelly Primary in Arnette Gardens, St. Andrew, Jamaica. Iris Gelly is a primary school in the inner city, as I said, of Arnette Gardens. We have over 1,200 children on roll, ages 6 to 12. It's a welcome initiative, and we appreciate the efforts of JAHJAH Foundation. It's a medical/dental/mental health project to assist parents and children. So we really appreciate this effort. It's needed in this community. In a country where healthcare is free, sometimes we don't get to access it readily because of the crowd at the places. So we appreciate this effort. Well, our major challenge, I think, is unemployment of parents, because it means that the children don't get to come to school as often as they should. So if we could solve that problem of unemployment. Another problem we have is crime, how it affects the children. Sometimes if something happens in the region, in the area, then we know automatically that it affects a child from Iris Gelly. So that's violence. Another challenge, as I said previously, was poverty, which means many of the children come to school hungry. Thank God for the program of advancement through health and education, the PATH program. Over 400 children are able to receive lunches on welfare, but then there are others who need it and don't get it because they are not a part of the program. So we'd like to enhance that program to have more children on the PATH program. Our computer lab was opened in 2004, and the computers we have there now are more or less obsolete. We have had a private sector donor who gave us 4 computers, and recently, just in November, the JAHJAH Foundation was on board again to help us. So we received 4 computers, which are presently at the wharf, waiting to be cleared. We need lots more computers. As we said, our population is over 1,200. We need more computers. In this day of advanced technology, we need more computers for the children to be computer literate. We also badly need a paying job, inside and outside. We buy a tin of paint for a class, but then it never stretches to the other 32 classes. It can't stretch. So we'd appreciate a facelift in terms of a paint job. Our field was a dust bowl initially. However, since August, we have had an area paved, and we thank the National Works Agency for that. And that paved area is good for us. However, we have the field which we'd like to develop for football and for athletics. This is a sports school. This is a community that focuses on sports. Sports builds peace and interaction between people, and we'd really like to have our sports field up and running. We make use of it, but the children get many bruises and falls on this field when it's our sports time. So we really would like the field to be made into a field per se. The school is Iris Gelly Primary School, and Iris Gelly was a community activist, a former PNP councillor for the area. She was instrumental in getting this property and was able to get the government to build on it. So she was a PNP councillor for the area. She has died about 4 years ago, and unfortunately we don't get enough sponsors to assist in the school. I don't know if it's because of the community where it's found, but we'd like to ask Corporate Jamaica to come on board with us. We have over 80% literacy, and we can do excellent if we get the additional help that we so desperately need. You can contact us at irisgelly@yahoo.com, irisgelly@yahoo.com. Our phone number is 1-876-926-7624. JAHJAH Foundation, you're a blessing to Iris Gelly and to the people of Arnette Gardens. We thank you much for this initiative, and we hope the partnership will continue.
I am the guidance counselor, Mrs. Carol Tucker White of Iris Gelly Primary School. You know, this is a very great institution, but it would be so much better if our children were, say, as less challenges. Like, even today I was talking to a boy whose father was killed just last week, 7 shots. These are some of the trauma that the children are been going through. You know, parents find it very difficult to help them the way they want to help, the adequate help, providing the right amount of food, balanced diet and all of that. Most persons depend on the PAD program, and that's not good enough. It's good, it's very helpful, but it would be better if the parents were viably employed. Many of them, you know, are not, but these children are very strong. They have so much resilience. They are able to cope, and the teachers work hard with them. You know, so because of the natural innate ambition and all of that, the children really can cope. But, you know, it would be so much better if more fathers were here to help the children. That is one of the main problem, lack of fathers, because they have migrated, some of them, and most have died. You know, so these children have this to deal with the struggles of lack of proper parenting and all of that. You know, that is one of the main problems that we face. You know, this is like a glass of water to a thirsty soul, because, you know, and I wish that more persons were really informed about it, because even the dental care, believe you me, the children need these services. You know, many times you refer them to see the psychiatrist, and the parents don't take them. For some reason, they don't take them out there. But guess what? The doctors, the nurses, the counselors are here today, free of cost, to help, to guide. You know, it really takes off so much burden off our shoulders. You know, it is really a blessing, and I wish this could happen more often, that JAHJAH Foundation could come on a regular. I know it's not possible, but we are really giving thanks for this great initiative. It's very good.
This is my grandson. His name is Messi White. He goes to Irish Gelly School, and I'm going with him inside to see the doctor. He gets his teeth clean, and I'm glad of all the opportunity today. And so you people can come again.
thank you, JAHJAH Foundation, for helping us.